Welcome back to our channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the Bissell Steam Mop and the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop. Buckle up because it's about to get messy. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at around $92, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is available for $129. Reviewers have pointed out that the Bissell offers great value for its price, especially for those looking to save a few bucks while still getting an effective cleaning tool. Meanwhile, the Shark is praised for its additional features, which some users feel justify the higher price tag. So, if you're looking for savings, Bissell is your go-to. But if you want extra features, Shark might be worth the splurge. Next, let's get down to sanitization. The Bissell Steam Mop claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which is a huge plus for pet owners or anyone concerned about cleanliness. Reviewers have been impressed with its ability to tackle tough messes and sanitize effectively. The Shark also sanitizes well, but some users feel it's not as effective as the Bissell. For instance, a reviewer mentioned that while the Shark does a decent job, it doesn't quite match the Bissell's performance in this area. So if sanitization is your top priority, the Bissell might be the better choice. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Bissell features a built-in flip-down easy scrubber that excels at tackling tough, sticky spots. Reviewers rave about how effective it is on various surfaces, even old grout. In contrast, the Shark has a genius head with direct steam channeling, which some users appreciate for its innovative design. However, the Bissell's scrubbing capability seems to give it the edge, as many users feel it can handle more challenging stains better than the Shark. So for those tough messes, Bissell is the winner. Let's talk about steam control. The Bissell offers SmartSet digital variable steam control, allowing for a customized cleaning experience. This feature has been praised by reviewers for its versatility. The Shark has a 3-setting intelligent steam control, which is a nice feature but lacks the precision of the Bissell's settings. Reviewers have noted that while the Shark is effective, the Bissell's steam control offers a more tailored approach to cleaning. So if customization is important to you, Bissell takes the lead. Odor elimination is another category to consider. The Bissell comes with odor-eliminating fragrance discs, which many users enjoy, as it leaves their home smelling fresh. Reviewers highlighted this feature as a significant advantage over the Shark, which does not offer any odor-eliminating options. So if you want your home to smell like a spring meadow while you clean, Bissell is the clear winner here. Lastly, let's discuss ease of use. The Bissell takes about 30 seconds to generate steam, which is great for those in a hurry. Reviewers appreciate its quick startup time. The Shark, while featuring touch-free technology, has received mixed reviews on its ease of use. Some find it convenient, but others miss the hands-on feel of traditional mopping. Overall, Bissell seems to take the crown for ease of use with its quick steam generation. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The Bissell Steam Mop is often praised for its affordability, powerful sanitization, and cleaning capabilities, making it a favorite among users who want effective performance without breaking the bank. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, while slightly more expensive, is appreciated for its innovative features and ease of use, appealing to those who prioritize technology in their cleaning tools. So what's the verdict? If you want a mop that's quick, efficient, and smells like a spring garden, Go for the Bissell Steam Mop. But if you're looking for a mop that's a little more high-tech and doesn't mind being a bit late to the party, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop might be the one for you. Remember, folks, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Shark, the most important thing is to keep your floors clean and your home happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.